what's up, y'all? I'm just buttering my griddle right now because it's about to go down. We are doing pancakes, y'all. But guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna kick it up like 10 notches and I'm gonna do a pineapple upside down pancake. So if I was you and you was me, I would not go anywhere. Stick around.
Yes! Season 2, Master King Chef J-Rod is back. Now that's straight fire. We are always building flavors.
So guys, one of my favorite desserts is the pineapple upside down cake, right? But I also love pancakes, so I decided to combine the two and make a pineapple upside down pancake. What an awesome idea, right? My grandma used to cook her pineapple upside cake in a cast iron skillet, throw it in the oven, and it used to be so good. So what I did was made my own pancake mix from scratch. You know, flour, buttermilk, baking powder, baking soda. You could Google it, or you can do what's easy for you. Get your favorite pancake mix, mix it in the bowl, call it a day. Now it's time to enhance the pancake mix. So what I have here is some cinnamon applesauce. It goes into the pancake mix, and what that does, it makes it so moist, right? And then I'm gonna add a little brown sugar into my pancake mix, okay? And then I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla. And what I'm gonna do is mix this up. Once this is well combined, I'm gonna show you guys what the next step is. Let me stir this up for y'all. Smell just like cake batter, baby. Just like cake batter. Man, it's early. It's Sunday morning. I don't know what time or when y'all gonna get this video, but I ain't having coffee, you know what I'm saying? So just excuse me for a second. Coffee a little cold. So check it out, right? Pancake mix. Then right at the end, I just add a little bit of pineapple juice, right? Just to give it that little right there, you know, when right there, that's gonna give it a little kick. Alright? So first thing you do, you get some canned pineapples, right? And I do recommend the canned ones. Take the pineapple, you dredge it into the brown sugar. Oh man, right? You take that and you put it on the grill. Alright? We're gonna do that one more time because I got room for 3 pancakes, but I'm gonna make 2 on this griddle. Right? You take the pineapple, you dredge it into the brown sugar. Hey camera guy, you smell that, man? Man, doesn't that smell good already? Woo, wait till you guys see what happens next. So we let that go for about 2 to 3 minutes to get it nice and caramelized. Nice caramelization. Right there. Caramelization. And then we're gonna flip it over and I'm gonna show you guys what the next step is. Yeah, I see you camera guy. Looking real good. So we got our pineapples caramelization, right? So what I'm gonna do now is flip them over. See how it is nice and caramelized on that side? Man, it looks so good. And then just like a pineapple upside down cake, I'm gonna take the cherry. Make sure you remove the stem, right? Put the cherry right in the middle. Okay? Make sure it's nice and buttered, because I'm about to put down the pancake mix. So I got the butter going on. And then you take the pancake mix and you just pour it over. Oh man, that's gonna be so good, guys. Just pour it over. And then you can kind of shape it like you want, but I like mine kind of rustic looking. I don't like a perfect looking pancake, you know what I'm saying? I like mine to look a little funky, like it was like homemade. I don't want to look like a McDonald's pancake. I like it a little rustic. So we're just gonna let that cook, man. Once that's done, we're gonna flip it, smack it, rub it down. We'll be right back. Alright guys, time to flip this bad baby over. How good does that look? Let's try this again. Oh, look at those pancakes, baby. Oh, that looks so good. We're gonna let that go for another couple of minutes, and then it's almost time to chow down. Alright, so I'm making a stack of pineapple upside down pancakes, right? Got 2 ready. So I got 2 more down, right? So these right here, I'm just put a little sugar on top, right? Just a little bit, you know, same thing over again. We're making a stack, baby. We're gonna make a stack. Take that pancake batter and pour it over the pancake just like that. Just like we did the last time, man. You know, do what we do. Alright, and we're just gonna let that go, guys. When we come back, we're gonna flip it up, serve, cut, and we're ready to go. We'll be right back. Alright, so pancakes are ready to flip. And one way you can tell is see how it starts bubbling? That means say, hey, flip me, flip me, flip me. So you just go up under the pancake and you give it a nice little flip. Look at that, beautiful pineapple pancake. Oh man, we are there. So what I did, right? I took some extra pineapples, just grilled them off a little bit because we're gonna use that too. Now we're gonna take the pancake off. Look at this beautiful stack. Oh man, pineapple upside down pancake stack. Check that out, right? So what I'm gonna do next, guys, take some more pineapples and just, you know, I'm just gonna put it, you know, on the side like that there. I'll put it in the front so y'all can see it. Now, I'm gonna take a little bit of this cinnamon and just dust the whole thing just like that. Oh man. And what I'm gonna do next is hit it with some strawberries. Like boom, boom, boom. Strawberries. What's those? I said strawberries. That's a dang on cherry. What I'm gonna do next, add some of these cherries to it. Y'all can put as much cherries as you like, because you know the kids, they love cherries, so we just gonna do it just like that, right? And then we take some of this maple syrup. Make sure it's maple syrup. I mean, you can get the Aunt Your Mama, but the maple syrup is just so much better. Oh man, y'all see that? Oh man, how beautiful is that? And there y'all go, Chef J. Rod's pineapple upside down pancake. Hey, I need y'all to check out my website. We're gonna put it right here for y'all. www.masterkingchefjrod.com. And hey, check this out too. Since I made those pancakes and I got some more pancake mix, this video was gonna be over, but it ain't. I'm gonna make y'all some blueberry pancakes. Don't go anywhere. Man, did y'all see those pineapple upside down pancakes? Wow, those things look amazing. So what I got now is the same pancake mix. Remember I put that cinnamon applesauce in there, right? Just gives it so much more flavor. And then I added some blueberries to it, right? What I'm gonna do now is make a nice pancake, right? Nice big old pancake for y'all. And then, oh man, I'm gonna let that cook. And what I'm gonna do now, we're gonna make a stack of these jokers. We're gonna take some fresh blueberries, because that's the only way to do it, and put some of those fresh blueberries on inside the pancakes. Now we have some in the mix, but we wanna add a little bit more, because you can't have too many blueberries when you're making a blueberry pancake. Can't say that 3 times. Blueberry pancake. All right, so we're gonna let this go. It's time to flip it. We'll be right back. We're gonna make another stack, so don't go anywhere, guys. All right, guys, pancakes are nice and bubbly. Time to flip. Easy. How good does that look? And then when we come back, man, I'll show you guys exactly what it's gonna look like. Don't go anywhere. It's a pancake party. Man, wait till you guys see this. So when you make these pancakes, right, and you flip them over, you wanna serve this presentation side up. So I'm gonna put a pancake right here, right? And I know I said blueberries, but you know, sometimes I change my mind. It's gonna be a berry pancake. So I'm gonna take some strawberries and put it on there. And then I'm gonna take some raspberries and put them on here, right? Take some raspberries, and then I'm gonna take some more blueberries, put it on there. And then I'm gonna drizzle some, oh man, pancake syrup on there, some maple syrup. And then I'm gonna take another pancake and stack that on top of that. And what I'm gonna do is make one more stack of pancakes, and we'll be right back. All right, so the blueberry pancake is ready. We're gonna call it the very berry. And like I said, we're gonna leave that presentation side right there. And then we're just gonna hit it with a little bit more berries, right? Because it's a very berry pancake. It's a nice little snack we made for y'all, right? And then we're just gonna take some of the syrup right here. And then we're just gonna drizzle it, man. And then, there you have it. We made very berry pancakes. And then we also made those pineapple upside down pancakes. Man, how good were those? And you just take some strawberries, you know, and lay it around the plate like that. And I want you guys to enjoy this. All right, nice, somewhat healthy meal for y'all. Start y'all Sunday morning for me, but I don't know what day it is. Y'all gonna see this. All right, and there you have it. Wow, how good are those pancakes, y'all? Very berry pancakes, pineapple upside down pancakes. I am Master King Chef J Rod. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, always keep God first in your life, and everything will fall into place. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. So, let me tell you a little story about Pineapple Express. Yeah, the bowl. There you go. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is add some. What is this?
Brown sugar.
This is actually applesauce. All right.